Well, hey team, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about American Bill money and what it's doing. I'm telling you what, if you're not in American Bill money, you're missing an opportunity of a lifetime. This thing is on a tear to the upside. We've got more documented proof. People are joining every single day. Some days I get over 2 signups a day in this program, and it's just absolutely astounding to see what's going on. We're going to roll this, and then I'm going to come back to you on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and like the video, hit the like button, and tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. American Bill Money is a must join. People are joining American Bill Money daily. Our team is just on a tear to the upside. It's exploding in a good way, and I could not be more excited. This is the #1 residual income system in America today. Second to none, period. Second to none. It's just that good. And we're working American Bill Money. I do a lot of things online, but American Bill Money is my #1 opportunity as far as residual income. We recently added, what was the other one? Savings Highway. VPI Savings Club. VPI Savings Club. That's going to be our #2 that we're going to try to build it up alongside of American Bill Money. But this video will strictly keep it American Bill Money. And people are joining and they're upgrading. They're mailing. They're getting excited. And you can change your life. All you do is join and remain a member forever. Folks, income disclaimer. I'm going to talk about some income potentials in this video. Of course, in all of this stuff, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action. That is your income disclaimer. But it is possible to make $1,500 plus per month. That's past it. And you can make more than that. We want to invite you to look on the inside. I'm going to show you why you want to join today. It is just that urgent to get involved with American Bill Money today. We're just getting started. What if we've got the dream team? We're able to put in 2,000-3,000 people over the next year or two. And I'm telling you what, people are finding about this money-making income miracle. And we're going to have a massive, massive amount of people join this thing over the next few months, the next few years. And those that are getting in now, 10 grand a month is simple to do. All you do is plug in and stay the course. Stay for the remainder of your life and make money, residual income, even for a legacy to leave over and to your family members. Folks, that's exciting. And I could not be more excited about what we've got going on with American Bill Money. Turn those alarms off. But great things are happening. Before we get started, give me just about 10 minutes. I'll run through this video. Look at the people making the videos about American Bill Money. They're getting excited. Russ Fraud's got a great video there, one of our videos. Here's what a great team member of ours also. She earns extra. She's doing an outstanding job along with Russ. We've got another ABM partner, Buddy, and several people. People are making American Bill Money videos every single day to the week because they're excited about what we got going on. The excitement, folks. If you can mail a flyer, I'm going to show you some tip strategies quickly in this video, but it is a must join. Everybody comes in at the $50 level, and people are upgrading. People are upgrading. Upgrading to the next level is not required, but folks, it depends. Do you want to go from, do you want to go fast, or do you want to go extremely slow? Do you want to go from 0 to 100? And fast, quick, and in a hurry. It's totally up to you. Everybody comes in at the $50 level subscription. I had a team member call me yesterday and said they got 3-4 people lined up that want to come in at the deluxe level. Folks, these people are serious about changing your life. The subscription economy. What American Bill Money is, it provides a products and service that is irresistible. It's needed in the marketplace. Leads, people that are looking to work from home. You can use these leads to market to other people looking to work from home, and you're going to get the system. Folks, this is exciting. I give it my highest recommendation. American Bill Money. If you have been watching these videos, get in today, because we are just getting started as to where we're going. We hope to put 10,000 people. And is that doable, Timothy? It is absolutely doable. We've got a proven formula for success. We've got postcards, drop cards, emails, email follow-up, websites, that you can direct people to. They'll fill out the information. The system will drip on them if they don't join today. It will follow up with them left and right. Folks, let me walk around this thing. This is exciting. I'm telling you, here is, let me show you this one here. This is the website, folks, that you can get personalized to you. It's an American Bill Money website. Everyone wants and needs more money. Everyone needs and wants more money. This website will do the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This thing works for us. It will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. American Bill Money website is proven to work. People are getting excited. Let me show you some documented proof quickly while it's fresh on my mind. Look at the signups. That's our cover letter. I'll go back to it. I'm going to show you how to mail this thing. Look at what's been coming in. 2 signups. A sign up. 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. Folks, look at what we've got going on. 1:30 as a recorded video. We had 2 referrals to come into American Bill Money. Folks, I tell you what, great things are happening. We're on a tear to the upside, and this is documented proof. I mean, people are pouring sign up after sign. I got pages of sign up after sign up after sign up of people coming into American Bill Money. If you can mail a flyer, postcard, do a video, pass out a drop card, put a little effort into it, folks, just direct people to this website. It will sell for you. It will tell for you. It will explain for you. And our team is fired up, and we're just getting started. We're gonna have over 1,000 people on this team here. We got a marketing system that does the work for you, our products and services, and it's incredible. Sales are closed for you. The company will do it for you. No computer skills are needed. All you do is mail the beautiful postcards. You do no selling, remain anonymous, and the system will do the follow-up. This right here has 3 prompts to it. It does the selling, explaining 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I get notified of signups on a daily basis in this program. It's rarely a day goes by that a signup doesn't come in. Folks, and I tell you, I'm going to give you some secret nuggets in just a minute. This is what's in the subscription plan. 50 leads every month, unlimited use of the 800 number, personalized capture page. Folks, look at this. You can get this capture page right here. You can get a personalized capture with your referred ID number. This is personalized. Depends on what level you come in. Well, Timothy, what are the levels of participation in American Bill Money? Let me show you. Everybody comes in for what we call the monthly starter, which is $50 per month. You start at $50. And folks, that right there can set you free. There are some people that are coming in immediately seeing the vision. I had somebody join a week ago. She called me today. She said she had 3 people lined up to come in at the deluxe per month, the $250. Folks, I'm telling you what, it's go time. She just joined last week. Big shout out to Kenya if you're watching the video. She's wanting to upgrade immediately. Hadn't even got her marketing kit to the deluxe $250 per month. Folks, you get in where you fit in. And I highly recommend you get in, number 1. Number 2, if you think basic or deluxe is for you, get aboard, folks, and let's go. People are upgrading all the time in American Bill Money. You're going to get, if somebody joins you at basic and you're already at basic, you're at $150 a month, you're going to get $85. That's $75 for the basic, $10 for the monthly starter. Folks, that's a game changer. And there's more money if you're at deluxe and you got people that join at these levels. And folks, Money Order Freedom is our highest level. 1 year, I'm at Money Order Freedom. And I saw the vision. When you pay your subscription Money Order Freedom, folks, you don't have to pay it another time until your subscription renews next year. Folks, that is incredible. You pay the $2K per year. If you go 2 years, it's $5K. Is it worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. If you can do it, I give it my highest recommendation. Folks, American Bill Money, what we're doing, let me show you this quickly. Let me move quickly. You're going to get a flyer, savings coupon, and this is exciting. When you bring in a $50 member, you're going to get $30 fast start bonus the very next week. Here are the postcards. They are proven to work. They are astounding. Style A through E. In another video, I'll go through it for the sake of time. I'm going to keep moving quickly in this video. This video has a drop card. Incredible. And this flyer, folks, 80% of my signups are coming in through by the flyer. 80%, not a video. I love to do a video, but 80% coming in by this flyer. It's proven to work. Absolutely proven. And what we've done for our team, this is not what the company does, but this is additional. When you join our team or anybody on our team, you're going to get an approved cover letter right here. We're going to make you a cover letter, folks, that will go along with the flyer that Paul and them made. Paul made an incredible flyer. I love that flyer. We've got one for Money Order Freedom too, and it is absolutely it's one of the highest converting flyers I've ever put in the mail. Woo! Let me calm down here. All right, and we'll go from there. Okay, and get the cover letter, folks. It has a conference call. We have a team conference call, and it absolutely is working. Mail this out with your cover letter, and it's a winning formula. It absolutely, undeniably works when you mail it. Let me show you another tip and strategy. This is what I'm doing with my envelopes, folks. You always put your return address up at the right, on the left-hand side. We got this is working, urgent time. And you can mix and match. You know, this is urgent. Your financial freedom, it's urgent to get financial freedom. Is it working? Absolutely working. First class mail, how to explode your response rate. All these things are true statements, and it absolutely works. This gets your mail open faster. You put their name label here, folks. This is a winning formula. I'm showing you how to win. Get in, plug in, and go. Get in, plug in, and go. This is the new subscription economy. When people join, these people down through three levels, read the website, will pay you for the remainder of your life. Folks, do you understand what we've got here? Now, another day I'll do a video on another opportunity, but make no mistake about it. American Bill Money is my #1 residual income opportunity. I tell you what, it's been a long time since I've been this excited about a program, but it's absolutely working. Look at this thing here, this level. The earnings calculator. Play with that thing, guys, when you get a chance. It's absolutely astounding of what you can make with a handful of referrals. Also, another way to advertise your business is in the magazines. You can place full page ads. You can place quarter-inch ads. Let me show you one thing that one of our members did. This is our current issue of Side Hustle Magazine. Big shout out to our member that did this, if I can find it. I should have had it open. It's opening right now. Big shout out to Rosette Evans. Rosette is an amazing individual. She is just absolutely tearing this thing up, and I could not be more excited. I apologize, guys. The computer is loading a little bit slower. Let me go back to the magazine. Here we go. Let's find Rosette's ad. If you're going to join for this video, I want to put Rosette again. We're going to highlight her. We will be highlighting different members from time to time, but I really appreciate her leadership, her inspiration. She inspires me. And all that everybody's doing. I really appreciate all of you. I'll be doing some more videos. If you're seeing this video, you reach out to me. I can do a video for you too.